Good afternoon from the Dubai airport and welcome to the London vlog. The journey starts here.
Frequent flyer, it's a good idea to read the safety card in your seat pocket. It'll remind you of the safety aspects of this particular aircraft. Take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest your
So it's the following day now and we've made it to central London. Busy walking towards Regent Street where they've decorated the place for the upcoming royal wedding between Harry and Meghan Markle. So they've got the whole place draped in Union Jack flags, and I've seen some amazing photos on Instagram already. So hoping to join the trend and get a few photos of my own. Found the first composition that really stands out for me, and let me talk you through the shot and what caught my eye. At this specific point on Regent Street, the cabs park right in the middle of the road and looks amazing with the flags above it and some buses in the shot as well. Let me know what you think of the final photo in the comments below. So that was Aqua Bar overlooking Regent Street, and it's not the greatest view of Regent Street, but wanted to mix it up and try a different view of Regent Street. Also got a separate video of all the great views you can do on Regent Street to get some great photos. Check out my channel and you'll find the video there. Now we're on the way to the next rooftop bar. This was very tricky to get into, especially on a great weather day like today, so not getting my hopes up too high, but let's see if we can make that happen. So of course it comes as a little surprise that we could not go to the rooftop bar. Reason today was that these beautiful shoes of mine do not allow you to take photos in pretentious places. So the best bit of photography advice I can give you in this vlog is to dress as pretentious as possible, because that way you can get to all the great rooftop bars and take the amazing views of London. So that's the best bit of photography advice I can give you. Tripods and camera settings aside, that's what you should go for. So it's mid-blue hour now, and I thought it's best to end the vlog on a positive note. There being not a single cloud in the sky, the blue hour looks very strong and the blue is completely uniform, which is always amazing for good photos. And the composition I've chosen is this one in the background here, a cluster of buildings. Looks really great with the lights coming on in the buildings. So I'm going to set up the tripod and try to capture this right here. And here's the setup I've gone for. So camera on the tripod due to it already being quite dark, and you need the tripod to get the long exposures. I'm shooting at 6 seconds at f6.3, and I'm using my 85mm prime lens to get that ultimate sharpness. And like I said earlier, that's the first composition I've gone for. I'm really happy with the shot. Then the other shot that also caught my eye was this over here, whole skyline of the city of London and some boats in the foreground to give a bit of foreground interest, which also turned out really good. Here's the shots I came up with. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So I'm really happy with the photos I got today. It's been a really beautiful day, and also got to enjoy a bit of sun, which is also quite rare, and you don't get around to doing that every day in London either. So it's been a good day all around, and more importantly, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. And if you did, be sure to like and comment. And if you aren't already, I'd love it if you subscribe. See you in the next episode. Good night.